All right, making a little pattern here for our lower giraffe, and we got our lines on here for our bead rolls, our line for our top here, the line for the bottom here, and our outline. So we'll take this and we'll transfer it and figure out how we're gonna build it.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
So here's our piece. Our corners, I don't actually want blocked like that. We're gonna cut it like this at a 45, so when they fold together, that will make a 90 there in the corner. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this out, and then I'm going to use this as a pattern to draw another one, just in case if this will fit on the multiple panels. You know, it might not be the same on each one because I'm only human. And so we're going to check it, and if it does need to change each one, we'll change each one. We only got to build 3 of these things, so it's not too big of a deal. So first of all, we'll cut this guy out. We'll make sure he's okay. I don't know if I want to do more with it or whatever, but we're just going to build this one, see how it goes, see if I want to fold the edges like that, whatever, blah, 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 and on with it. So it's all right, but I got that top bead roll is not quite lined up right. So I'm gonna leave that one for a second and go on to our next ones and kind of see how we go. If the other ones go better, then I might come back and redo that one. It does seem like it's gonna work out nice. You know, the edge is looking nice. I was worried about it kind of being too bulky, but looks pretty good on this one. The lines are okay. Like I said, this one looks good. This one, it's just it's a little too high. And then this line is too high as well. I can weld up the holes on the top there, and I don't know. We'll see. I'll probably redo it. But go on to the next one here and kind of go along. Okay, so we got our pieces in here. The last one turned out good. Second one is good except for that line there. I lined it up to that line and that line, which just made it crooked. So I want to try to fix that. And then on this one, I've already marked it. I need to bring that bead roll down a little bit and then cut down the top a little bit. So a little bit of work, but they need to be right. This guy, he just turned out great. That's what we're looking for there. So a little bit of adjustments, but you know, making it happen, Captain. So I ran it through the bead roller again, and this is kind of where it was. This is where it is now. It took some hammer and dolling to get rid of the old one and put in the new one, but I just ran it over with the bead roller, and then I came back and fixed it up on the thing so you can kind of see where the old hole was here. So I cut off the end of it there and then make my new mark and redent it over there, drilled my holes again. So hopefully we just saved that one. Well, once again, not satisfied with something. This line is correct, and this is supposed to be all the way up here, but it ended up making it to where this door panel's short, the lines aren't right. They're supposed to be in that where that black line is. You can see they're way crookedy and all this shit, but it's all because this space right here ended up being shorter for whatever reason, but it really is noticeable in here. So I'm gonna take this piece off, try to straighten out this bead roll, but I don't know how that's gonna work out. And then I'm gonna make a new door panel. This is totally trash now. I'm gonna make a new door panel and see what I'm gonna do up here. I might have to cut this and put a bead rolled piece in here and run it, but even the bolts are down too far. You know, that bolt's supposed to be way up here now. All three of these are probably gonna have to be changed. The last two look okay, but all this is gonna have to be cut out and redone. I think it was a mis-stamping in the door. You know, we put this piece in here, but this was already here. We didn't change any of that. You know, this is an added piece in, and we just continued our line, but it's not in the right spot. So start with this one, make a new door panel again, and go again at it. I don't know. All right, well, I cut the line, shrunk this as a little triangle shape, and got it up, and you can see how far I've taken it. You know, there is a little bit of curve from the cutoff, but you know, it moved up a lot. You know, that it was there. And so now we're getting our line back, and it's looking right. I wanted to get this kind of orchestrated so I knew where my holes were going to be, because that was another deal. I couldn't just kind of move the line. I have to move the holes with it, so the bolt holes are kind of the same length away from the top here. They'll look goofy. So we're getting her back on track. This guy, I did move his bead roll up, but you can kind of still see that's the old one coming down through there. But a little Gustavo filler and it'll be all taken care of. Alright, made it back. Got her tuned up, got her all cut in, and that's better.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.